G'day everyone, Ian Fegan here, also known as Professor Shoelace. Today's video is about sawtooth lacing. Now this is an unusual lacing which has straight sections on the top and diagonal sections underneath, and the interesting part is that it actually shifts the shoe out of alignment, which can be helpful if you've got a shoe that doesn't fit very well and sort of feels a bit loose in one area or another. Let's have a look at it, how it's laced. Got it set up with a simple sneaker here, and I'll firstly show you how it looks on my Ian Shoelace site, which if I animate, you can see the straight sections on the top and the angled section underneath. The two combine to sort of look a bit like the teeth on a saw. Now I've started with our bottom section going straight across the bottom and in through both bottom eyelets. Now I'll take one end, the left end in this case, and run it straight up on the inside and out through the next higher eyelet. Now the other end I run diagonally and go diagonally up two eyelets and out through the next higher eyelet. Now the first one, run straight across on the outside, in through the adjacent eyelet, diagonally up the inside, and out through the next vacant eyelet. We just basically continue that process, straight across on the outside, diagonally up the inside. And the idea is that you lace your shoe so that the diagonals point to whichever part of the shoe feels loose. So in this case, I obviously feel loose around this area and maybe tight around the big toe. So by lacing this way, all those angled bits actually pull the shoe like so. They sort of shift it out of alignment and make it feel tight around the little toe and therefore loose around the big toe. Now when you reach the top of the shoe, you'll notice that we once again have to go straight up on the inside to finish off the lacing. At the top, tie it however you like. I use my Ian knot, the world's fastest shoelace knot, and that's it. Now obviously if you've got two shoes, you'll lace them opposite to each other so that they're mirror images, which will look better and it will balance the effect on both shoes. So if you're loose on one toe, you're probably loose on the other toe as well. Anyway, that's it. That's sawtooth lacing. If you want more information about sawtooth lacing, instructions, diagrams, animations, you name it, you can go to Ian's Shoelace site.